What's up, guys? So this little rock retaining wall is fallen down. Goes over here to a brick one, but the owner's a little worried about erosion over time. So we're gonna pull all the rocks off of it. We're gonna landscape fabric it to try to hold the hill in, and then we'll re-rock it with either the same rocks or some more riprap. So you get a better idea. This is a super nice retaining wall. And this bank goes up a little bit through here. There was a tree there she just had taken down. So, and then we're kind of losing access to our steps here because of this. Oh wow, we got a bunch of wood up here. So, shouldn't be too bad. We did that roof right there a while back, this garage. That's interesting. It's quite a telephone pole. Okay. Found something weird. If anybody knows what these are, let me know. Kind of weird looking.
If you guys have any idea what those bugs were, please let me know. I'm assuming they were bugs, but they kind of, I don't know, I've never seen those before. They almost look like ticks, but I'm not sure what they were. So I run into a lot of spiders on jobs I do between decks and stuff like this, but this was by far the worst spider job ever. There were 2 to 3 inch brown recluses under almost every single rock, and you kind of just got to keep going. Can't let it stop you, that's for sure. It's a little sketchy at times, but it is what it is. I rehomed a small alligator lizard and a big one too, and about 300 snails.
Got most of the rock pulled off. These stairs are super wide. That's all the rock I pulled out of the wall so far. So we'll get some fabric so we can mesh this hillside and not have it do this again. And then we'll stick the rock back up. So we just added some heavy-duty landscape fabric at the end here to help hold the dirt into the hill so the dirt doesn't go through the rocks as much. Then we just restacked all the rock up as best we could. It came out super solid. I'm sure some people will say you can't do it this way, but this is what fit her budget, and she was super happy with the result. And it should last as long as she does, and well, as long as I do too. All right, we're all done. Look at that thing. Whole new wall's done. Dug all this out. There actually was concrete all the way back in here. You couldn't even see these first 3 steps before, but there's a whole set of concrete steps going all the way up. She's got a nice wide walkway to go up there. This wall should hang on for a long time. All done.